everyone, welcome back to Diverse Tutors, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a book review, and the book review is on the book called Finding My Voice, and this book is written by Chipo Chiware. I hope I'm saying her name correctly. This book is for everyone. It's a poetry book, and like it says, the title says Finding My Voice, Unlocking Hope in the Times of Grief. So if you have lost someone, whether it's recently or a long time ago, this book will help you to heal. This book will help you to cope with your loss in a different way, in a more positive way. Because sometimes we can beat ourselves up when we lose someone. I should have said this to them. I should have done that for them. But this book helps you to deal with that loss differently. But also, if you have lost your voice, whether you have lost your voice in your own home, at church, at school, in whatever you are doing, you might not be able to use your voice to full potential because it's been suppressed by the people around you or by your experience or situations that you've been through. This book will help you to heal. My favorite poem in this book is called My Voice Was Lost. And I'm going to read that poem quickly for you. My voice was lost. My voice was lost for a very long time. Lost in the country I lived in. Lost in the church. Lost at my workplace. Yes, my voice was lost. My voice was lost to insecurity, lost to doubts and fears, lost to love. Yes, my voice was lost. Someone found my voice and gave it to me. They saw my voice and said, it must be heard. Yes, my voice had to speak. Speak unashamed. Speak with confidence. Speak to inspire. Speak to be heard. My voice now speaks. It speaks to children. It speaks to adults. It speaks at my workplace. It speaks in the church. It speak with confidence restored. It speak and my voice is heard. That's my favorite poem in the book. My Voice Was Lost. I really hope you guys will enjoy this book just like I did. And my second favorite poem is called I Am Home. I won't read this one for you, but that poem helps you to actually see losing someone in a different way. It tells you what that person might be doing on the other side. While we're here worrying, that person might be pleased to be where they are. That person might be happy to be where they are, happy to watch over us, happy to be an angel for us. So I really hope you guys get this book on Amazon. Like I said, it's called Finding My Voice and it's written by Chipo Chiware. It's a poetry book for everyone at any age. Once you've lost someone, this book is a beautiful book for you to read. I will leave the description for this book in the description box below. I'll leave the link for Amazon so that you can go and purchase your own copy. I will also leave Chipo's Facebook where you can go and actually get a signed copy of the book. And also you can get this book on Kindle as well. So thank you for watching. I really hope you go and get your copy of this book. Take care. Bye.